FedEx has finally dropped off my pre-ordered Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Take a look at this. The box is incredibly slim. It's almost like it's prepping you for the slimness we're about to experience. All right, I'm ready to get into it. Like I said in previous videos, the original Pixel Fold was my favorite phone since it was released. I'm excited to get into the new one, and we'll compare it to the device that I've been daily driving for the last 2.5 weeks, the OnePlus Open. Let's get into it. It looks like this new Eco package that Google is utilizing has 2 little pull tabs to free the device. All right, let's check it out. All right, so after pulling the pull tabs, you should be able to slide it straight out. All right, let's see what's in the box. We can already see this is a massive camera bump. But I guess what can we expect with a device so slim? All right, let me put it to the side here. Let's see what else is in the box. Regular USB-C to C cable. This is probably the mandatory instruction documents that all manufacturers ship with their devices. And then there's the trusty SIM ejector tool. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Let's get into it. Look at this. Look how thin this is. There's a SIM tray, a microphone, speakers, another mic, USB-C, volume. It's super slim. Look at this. Super slim, incredibly slim. The screen and that crease is a little smaller than the original Pixel Fold. Again, this is a foldable, so expect the crease. I showed you that in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. There's still a crease. We see there's a crease in the OnePlus Open. So don't go into this expecting there to be minimal creasage, because the crease is there and creases are here to stay. All right, let's power this bad boy up and see if we got some juice. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Looking forward to putting it to the test. Welcome to your Pixel. Before we set it up, let's do a quick comparison to the original Pixel Fold and the OnePlus Open. Look how close the aspect ratios are on the OnePlus Open and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. One of the reasons why I started daily driving the OnePlus Open was because I wanted to see how it felt leaving the aspect ratio and form factor of the original Pixel Fold and moving over to something close to what we knew the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold would be. So I've been using the OnePlus Open and I've been enjoying it for 2 reasons. One, it's incredibly light compared to the original Pixel Fold. And 2, the battery life. The battery life on this is better than the battery life on the Pixel Fold. So I'm hoping that I can get the best of both worlds on the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I'm beginning to enjoy the new aspect ratio on the OnePlus Open. I still prefer the one on the original Pixel Fold, but the inner display on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is actually a little larger than the one on the OnePlus Open. Even the outer display and everything is meant to feel like a regular phone. So I'm looking forward to testing that out. And, after using this for the past almost 3 weeks, I'm definitely missing all the pixel dust that Google sprinkles in the Pixel software experience. I'm looking forward to getting back into the Pixel ecosystem And I must say that I've been impressed with the OnePlus Open. There's no knocking this device. There's a little wonkiness here and there with certain things, but I thoroughly enjoyed the OnePlus Open. And if we take a look at all three of them closed, you see how close the OnePlus Open is to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Right off the bat, this feels substantially lighter than the Pixel Fold. It feels really good in the hand. It feels like a regular phone, maybe slightly thicker, but this feels really good in the hand. Here we have I think this might be the 5G antenna. We have an antenna bars here, and I really like the matte flat sides. This is better than the polished, glossy aluminum on the original Pixel Fold. And if you look at the hinge looks to be much improved. Look how thick the hinge is here. They're so similar in size. So I'm sure usability is going to be quite comparable. Let's do a quick comparison so we can see the thinness compared to those two devices. And you can see the difference in screen sizes, but I'm going to take my time so I can live with this device for a few weeks before you get a full review. In the meantime, I'll be dropping some videos with some photo comparisons and any other comparisons that you guys want to see. Please leave that in the comment section below. So as much as I was disappointed about Google's decision to change the form factor of the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold, I was still excited just to see what Google's redesign and reimagining of a foldable device with this next generation foldable. But I see where they're going with that. I balked at them changing the form factor because it's taken away some of the uniqueness, that novelty from the Pixel Fold. And that's what really differentiated it. Outside of all the Pixel software and the fact that it was a Pixel, hardware-wise, that made it different. Now, this new Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you can see that they've taken cues from the OnePlus Open, because the OnePlus Open, for many folks last year, was considered the best hardware you can get in a foldable. It was the perfect compromise. The outer display was wider than the Z Fold 5 and the current Z Fold 6, and it was taller than the Pixel Fold for people who prefer something closer to a normal phone. So with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, they decided to take cues from the OnePlus Open and take it one step further. If you look, the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the form factor is like a Pixel 9 Pro and a Pixel 9 when closed. So it feels like a normal phone when folded, and you can use it as such without any compromise. And then when you want a bigger screen to consume media, to read ebooks, look at web pages, check Netflix, YouTube, check your emails, all those things you can do on that larger 8-inch beautiful display. Although it doesn't have that landscape aspect ratio that I loved in the original Pixel Fold, I definitely can see why Google made the change, and I'm here for it. So I know in my Pixel Fold 1-year review, I detailed how upset I was that Google was changing the form factor and how the Pixel Fold was my favorite phone of 2023 and so far of 2024, because that still remained my daily driver up until recently. But the new feel in the hand, the lightness, the thinness of this device, from my early impressions, Samsung, OnePlus, at least here in the US, you guys are in trouble, because Google looks like they're coming for the crown. But again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like, subscribe, and notification icon to be notified when I drop another video. I'll see you in the next one. And oh, don't forget to spread love, positivity, and try to do something helpful in this world today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.